Okay, blank page. My name is Rob Buser. I'm going to draw for you my career in online marketing, in being an entrepreneur online. And basically, I started from scratch, from zero. So it was a flatliner. And then I started creating traffic online by making videos, and I tried some software, and it went up and up. And on the way, I literally bought this system. Let's say I bought my first system. This is my first system. And that was an online system in where you had to pay money in order to get in. I never forget it. It was, I think, the reversed funnel system from Ty Coughlin. And whatever you had to do, you had to pay in to, I think I paid, I don't know, $97, my first $97 in order to get into Ty Coughlin's business. And I flatlined again because nothing happened. I didn't know how to promote. I didn't know how to inspire people. And on the way, I literally bought so many other software products or online courses. So I bought this course, and I bought, and this is going to be the slowest video you've ever seen, because I'm not in a hurry. I'm just sharing my knowledge. So I'm not in a hurry. I'm not one of those perfect multi-level marketing people that seem to have it all and is happy and is unhappy on the inside, addicted to applause and adoration. So I'm not one of them. I try to be, but I'm sick and tired of these perfect human beings claiming they have it all while they're totally addicted to applause and adoration. So I'm not addicted to that. But basically, on my way, I bought a red dot system and a I have to laugh now. But I bought a blue triangle system and some funny shape yellow system and program. And I simply, I mean, this is the truth. I simply paid, I truly believe right now it's a couple of €100,000 or dollars or whatever you want to call it, systems, and my traffic and my exposure and my membership went down, and then it flatlined again. It went up a little bit because I found I found this new method. So anyway, the message is do not stop. Do not stop. Whatever happens, do not stop. Just continue. You will get you will get new chances online all the time, because I'm going to share something amazing at the moment, and it's never ever happened before online that that things have been made so easy for you as it is right now. So do not stop. Here you go. That's my best effort early in the morning to inspire you to not stop. And all you see is some funky squares and triangles and dots and yellow, I don't know what this is, forms. But at this moment, I'm over the moon, because all these yellow dots and green triangles and, well, anyway, it brought me to this point. It brought me to a point in where you truly are able, and I don't know how to express this, because at this moment, funny enough, via the green squares, the red dots, the blue triangle, and the yellow, I don't know what's, it brought me to the point that I was introduced to a system right now, and this is no word of lie, that everything is done 100% hand-free, all done for you. Like everything. Not only traffic or web shops or funnels. No, everything. Everything is 100% done for you. So at this moment, I have my hands on a pre-launch of a system, an artificial intelligence system that is creating traffic for you, that is So again, it's creating traffic for you. Well, funnel, I'm not sure yet. I haven't seen the funnel yet, but if they don't have a funnel, I'll build the funnel for you, or with you, or you have to pay me money to build it. But basically, all I want to say is that what you need in order to be an online entrepreneur, to make money on autopilot, so-called passive income, is you need traffic, first of all, you need funnels, second of all, and you need a web shop or some environment, whether that's a multi-level marketing company or an eBay shop or whatever, Shopify shop. But you need these three things, and a lot of people, they are able to become a member of a multi-level marketing company, or set up a shop, or have things for sale, or they have somebody build a web shop, and there are ways to build funnels with beautiful software packages in where you can create landing pages, etc., etc. And this is all about, like this area right here, I'm preparing some masterclasses. This area right here is all about funnels, how to set up landing pages and information pages that click through to email and SMS text thingamajiggers and go round and around and around and around and around. So that's the technology of funnels. So before and until now, you needed funnels, you needed a web shop, and then you needed to create traffic. And most people, really, like most people, got stuck with this traffic part, with this part. This traffic part is totally the bottleneck, so to speak. It is the area in where most people, after having spent a lot of time and effort, courses, development money, and they spend a lot of time creating a shop or becoming a multi-level marketer or some guru or a network marketing pimp in a shiny suit. Once you have everything in place, you need traffic. And at this moment, I mean, there's no word of lie here. At this moment, there is somebody that I know for many, many years who has created a system in where traffic is the actual product. So he has created software and systems. He's an IT individual, a geek. He's a real geek. He also, on his webinars, he talks slow. He's not one of them slick individuals that try to persuade you or change your mind into buying or using stuff you don't really know or need. But he's literally always built systems in order to create lots and lots of traffic for existing network marketing organizations, shops, or what have you. And he simply, after many years of going through the same crap that you've gone through, opening shop after shop, purchasing all kinds of coins or cryptocurrencies that disappeared in the hands of crooks or unable CEOs or law-making crazy individuals, he simply said, the heck with it, I'm going to actually use the technology. It's artificial technology, it's artificial intelligence technology, to use that as a product on itself, and I'm going to give you the opportunity to become a co-founder. I'll give you the opportunity to become a co-founder of this artificial intelligence software that creates traffic to such an extent that it'll blow your socks off for the next 30 years and blow your hair back, that you'll be bald for the rest of your life. So at this moment, and this is where I stop this video because it's going to take way too long, all I say is don't stop. Do not stop. Whatever happens, don't stop. Because the simple fact, after 10, 20, maybe 30 years in the meantime, I had not seen this coming. This piece of software is so amazing that you literally do not have to do anything. It's 100% hand-free, all done for you. You are able to, and if you want to continue, go ahead. It doesn't matter, but you're able to stop all these webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions, these events that you sit into a church-like environment where you have to listen to this model human being preaching and ranting. You do not have to do that anymore. Do it if you want to. The evangelizing part of network marketing is wonderful, beautiful. You literally be high like a kite, as if you just smoked some ganja. But you do not stop, because you never know what is there around the corner. At this moment, I can truly say that what I know of this person And what I've seen until now, this system creates 100% hand-free, all done for you residual income, bar none. That's it. So whether you are on your green square area in your career online, or your red dot period, or your blue triangle new network marketing organization, or wonderful blah 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 promising tour, or you're one of those yellow thingamajiggers, I don't care where you are, do not stop, because you never know what's around the corner. Again, now when you're inspired by this extremely slow well, a little bit funny video, and you want to claim this position as a founder in a not launched artificial intelligence traffic and residual income system, do this. Click links underneath. You'll see some links saying get in now, claim your position, or fast start, whatever, on board, and purchase your position in this platform on this wonderful individuals platform. And then then that's it. You can stop for the rest of your development, or you can continue like I'm continuing anyway with the self-development stuff and whatever, in order to be healthy, wealthy, and have fun in life. But it's not necessarily anymore that you have to learn all these things in order to create traffic, set up sales psychology funnels and web shops, or become a sales magnet or some sort of a inspiring guru-like model human being. When I was introduced to this person and somebody else said he is like the perfect human being, I almost puked. I said there is no perfect human being, and I really saw this individual as an unhappy camper being addicted to applause and adoration and all kinds of hyper sensitive indoctrination systems. So the modern multi-level marketing guru pimp is sort of like, it's almost past tense. We have systems right now that create unlimited amounts of traffic, customers, or teams, or it literally builds your system, it builds your business. We have already made funnels, or we'll do that for you, or we'll charge a price, and we have web shops and products and services coming out of your gazoo so much. So that's it. Click links underneath, claim your position, leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number to the right or underneath this video somewhere, so that I can send you appropriate video information. And I may see you at one of those events, webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions. And I hope you are inspired by this sometimes uninspiring message. We're humans, man. Come on, relax. Here you go, all done for you, hand-free. What else do you want? Japanese massage, happy endings, cars, planes, boats, whatever there to bribe you. Claim your position, click links, leave your best email address, mobile telephone number. When you see this on YouTube, somewhere here, underneath here, you'll see a little word spelled share. And when you click on that little social media icons pop up, you're able to share this this unforgettable video with your friends and loved ones. Check you soon, and definitely see you on the beaches of the world. Thanks.